Are you struggling to learn English on your own? Do you wish you had a personal tutor 24 by 7? Or what if I told you that you already have one and it's absolutely free? Yes, I'm talking about ChatGPT, your smart English learning buddy. In this video, I will share 5 powerful ways to learn English with ChatGPT that can take your speaking, writing, and vocabulary to the next level. So stay with me till the end. You don't want to miss this. Let's dive right in. So here are 5 effective ways to use ChatGPT to learn English like a pro. Very first thing, role play, real life situations. You know what? This is one of the coolest way to practice English. You can simply tell ChatGPT, let's do a role play. You be the waiter, I'll order food. Or pretend you are an interviewer and I am applying for a job. This gives you real world practice in a safe and comfortable environment. See, the ultimate goal of learning is to prepare yourself to communicate with the outside world and have real one on one conversations. This can only happen when you practice in the same way. One common problem we all face is not having a speaking partner. I remember my own struggles when I had no one to practice English with, and it was very difficult to find someone to talk to. But now, thanks to the technology has given us the perfect solution, ChatGPT. You can start a conversation on any topic and practice it as many times as you want until you feel confident. For example, if I practice with ChatGPT as if I am in an interview, it will ask me questions and I will try to answer. If I make a mistake, it will help me by showing a better way to say it. You can also take that suggestion and make it your own. This way, you learn vocabulary, sentence structure, and gain confidence at the same time. Second activity or second way, get your writing corrected. Most common way of using ChatGPT. If you're struggling with grammar or sentence structure, no problem at all. Write a short paragraph and tell ChatGPT, please check my grammar and give me feedback. You will not only get corrections but also learn how to express your ideas more clearly and professionally. This is the method I use to create my scripts at home. I usually write my own script based on my feelings, emotions, and message that I want to convey in the video. Then I ask ChatGPT to correct the grammar, as I know it is one of my weaknesses. ChatGPT helps make my script clear and grammatically correct. And once it's ready, I use it to create a short or full video. And through repetition while preparing and recording, I naturally learn new words and phrases. You can't learn anything in one go. So repeating helps me improve day by day. This is my personal experience and I encourage you to try it too. It would be a great experience for you too. The third method or activity to improve with ChatGPT is learn new words every day. Want to improve your vocabulary? Just ask ChatGPT. Give me 5 English words with meaning and example sentences. You can even make it topic based. For example, you can ask, teach me 5 business related words, and you will get 5 words. So this habit will grow your word power and boost your confidence while speaking or writing. Let me share how I practice regularly. Usually I upload a short video on my channel explaining a few vocabulary words, a short story, or any topic I prepared. So when I focus on vocabulary, I ask for 5 intermediate level words. If I already know those words, like which suggested by ChatGPT, then I ask again for 5 or 10 more words. I find new and useful words out of those, and I try to copy them and paste it in my notepad on my phone. So for each word, I read the example sentence and then try to create one more sentence on my own. I check that sentence again with the ChatGPT to see whether it's correct or not. So if it is, I keep it. And then I use both the examples, meanings, and explanation in my short video or maybe in my long video, and this method really works for me. I still remember the words I've explained in my short videos. If you ask me any word from those videos, I can tell you like its meaning, example, very easily. Or I think this is the only method which can help you to improve your English. Uh, if you want to good at something, you have to keep practicing the same. So the only problem is that like we often don't use these words in real life. We remember them, but we don't practice using them in conversation. So like if you want to improve, try this method and use the words actively. That is very important. Not picking those words, writing those words will not work for you until you try to use them in your day-to-day conversation. Knowingly, consciously, whatever method you want to use, you have to use them. Let's move on to the fourth point. The next point is reading and speaking. See, you already know that ChatGPT doesn't talk, but you can still improve your listening and speaking. Ask for prompts like give me 5 questions to answer loud. Give me a short English paragraph to read out loud for practice. If you will ask these questions, you will get the answers. You will build your speaking flow and pronunciation day by day. I usually ask for one motivational story so I can read it aloud. When I create a video on that particular story, I always learn 3 to 4 new words. This helps me build my vocabulary and also give me speaking practice with a full paragraph. Although ChatGPT doesn't support listening practice, but it's very helpful for speaking. You can use it to get good content to read and speak out loud. You can ask for different types of paragraphs like summaries of books or anything else you want to practice. This is a great way to improve your speaking and vocabulary together. And you know what, at the time you are speaking, you can ask for the corrections from ChatGPT. Fifth and last, plan your day with ChatGPT. You can talk to ChatGPT like a real person. Try starting your day by chatting about your plans, your hobbies, or even how your day went. For example, hey ChatGPT, ask me 5 questions about my weekend. This will help you think in English, improve your sentence structure, and build fluency, just like practice with a friend. So, what I recommend you to do is be regular. These 5 methods or these activities can help you only if you are regular with them. If you will do it one day and for the next 3 days you are on break, no benefit. You might have heard this point that consistency matters. It matters for everything. If you want to learn a skill, you have to be fully dedicated. You have to do it regularly. Until you spend your time, efforts, your labor, you're not going to get it. The ultimate thing is your hard work. You have to invest time. You have to put your 100% hard work. Then only you will be able to achieve a kind of fluency you are dreaming of. So these are the 5 powerful ways you can use ChatGPT to improve your English, from speaking and writing to vocabulary and real life practice. The best part, you can do it anytime, anywhere, no need for a classroom or expensive courses. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more practical tips to improve your English and confidence. And yes, do let me know in the comments which of these 5 tips will you try today. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.